Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to add leader to text. So you can create text by using the text command, and I will create in here. I will type into Vasuket and press escape button to close from this text command. Now if you want to add leader, you can type leader, press enter, and I will click like from this point into here. Now in here you can press enter and then press enter again. After it, you can choose no annotation. So it creates the leader to the text. You also can edit this leader by using the properties. Press enter, and you can change for the line scale in here. Like I will set into 4 for line scale, and you can type also for the line weight into this option. If you want to change for the arrow, you can click here, arrow size. Like we set arrow into 5, and it will be automatically changed into 5. So that's it for basic REST commander tutorial, how to add leader to text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.